Hey! If your computer system is working slow and sometimes start freezing, then it may be due to some reasons. In this video we show 3 ways, so let's come with first one. Let's see how to fix it. Method 1 is delete temporary files. Firstly we press Window +R. Then see here we type %temp%. It shows you all your temporary file. Select this all files and delete them. Like us. Then, again we open this run box and type temp, but this time without using %. As you can see here it shows you unwanted file, select them, and delete it. Method 2 is restart your PC. It's a very simple to do, you just need to open your window. As you can see here, is a power button, click on it. Then here you got a restart button, click and restart your system. Third one is check latest updates. You just simply need to go on search bar. Then see we searched update and then open it. On this screen it shows you all your latest update. If you need to know about others ways to fix your computer then, in description we mention our link. Go and click on it to find more.